Hello guys, this is SFDCPathshala. Hope you guys are doing well. In this video series, we are going to learn about GraphQL. So GraphQL is a module of LWC, and using that we can retrieve data without using Apex. I will show how we can execute GraphQL queries in LWC, and also I will show you how we can use those query using Postman and retrieve data. Let's begin with the course. Okay, so my name is Rohit Kumar and I have 6+ years of experience in software development. Let's take a look into course agenda. So in this course, we are going to understand the concept of GraphQL. Then we will take a tour of GraphQL official documentation. I will execute GraphQL queries via Postman and I will show how we can retrieve data. I will explain operators of GraphQL and then we will implement GraphQL in our LWC component and we will retrieve data. Also, we will look into GraphQL mutations in this course series. Okay, then let's begin with the GraphQL key concepts. So, it was founded by Facebook in 2012 and publicly released in 2015. It is useful to retrieve data and reduces overfetching and underfetching problems common with REST APIs. Clients retrieve multiple related pieces of data in a single request. We can perform queries and mutations such as create, update, and delete using GraphQL. But in LWC module, the mutation is in a beta version, so we can't use it in a live project, but I will show how we can use and we will learn about mutations as well. Let's take a look of official documentation of GraphQL. So here you see LWC API modules, GraphQL API, and under that you can see V1 and V2. So previously it was like UI GraphQL API. It was in a V1, it means version 1. And here you see the module how we can import it. So lightning slash UI GraphQL API. And if you see the another version, which is V2, it is the latest one. So here you see how we can import it. And then we can implement our query and then retrieve it. I will show you how we can implement those things. Don't worry about this. But if you want to learn the documentation, you can go and look into it. There is another documentation related to GraphQL API. So here you can get some theoretical concepts of GraphQL which can help you in interview. So you can also go with this documentation. Let's take a look into GraphQL syntax. So here you can see how we can use this GraphQL query. So it's basic. We just need to pass the query as object name like account, contact, or some custom objects. Here is a simple example of GraphQL query. We can retrieve data from account. So we need to pass like query UI API, query object name, which is account, and then age, age and node. Okay, and then the field name. Let's do some hands-ons with Postman. We will execute this query and we will retrieve data. So this query is simple. We are going to retrieve data from account, the fields like ID, name, type, billing street, billing city, owner ID, and owner names. Okay. So if you see the GraphQL query, it's simple. This is the basic syntax, and then the object name, and then it and nodes. So in nodes you can see ID, name. So we need to retrieve the value of name, so that's why we need to pass like this: name, type, billing street, city, states, and another one you can see the owner. So we are going to retrieve the owner ID and the owner name. So this is the syntax to retrieve owner, and similarly syntax to retrieve created by and modified by. So we will execute this query and we will retrieve data. Okay, how we can use it in Postman, how we can retrieve data from Postman. First of all, we need to get the access token. So how we can get the access token? The basic, if you know about this, it's good. If you don't know about this, please search for some articles. You can get how we can retrieve access token. If not, please comment down. I will create a separate video for it. Okay. So to retrieve access token, we just need to pass our domain name like this and service and out to, and then params like grant type, client ID, and client secret. If I will click on send, then it will return the access token. This is the access token you see, and there are some other informations. Okay, then let's see how we can execute GraphQL query. First of all, we need to pass our dev org, or whichever org you are using, the domain of that org, and then services data version. You can use the latest version. I'm going to use 59.0 and then slash GraphQL. For authorizations, we need to pass this header values like authorizations equals key as authorizations value as barrier, a space, the access token. I'm going to use the latest access token here, and then xchatter entity equals to false. Okay. Now let's take a look into body. In body, we are going to use GraphQL, and then here you see how I passed the query. So this is the simple query. I hope you understand this query. If not, please comment down. Okay, so see, the query is here, everything is here, all set, and we just need to click on send. So after clicking on that, you see we can get data as a response. So here you see the ID, the name as value, billing a street value, city value, state value, and if you see for owner, then you see ID and name. So this is how we can get data using GraphQL. We can implement this similar query in LWC, and we can retrieve data without using Apex in GraphQL. I hope this video is useful for you. Please keep watching this video series so you can understand better GraphQL and implement those into your LWC. Please do comment if you need anything. Please pass your feedback in comment section. If you like this video, please hit on the like button. And if you are new and want to learn Salesforce modules like LWC modules and Salesforce concepts, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching. Keep watching, keep learning. Thank you.